10 free raised planter box plans. This raised planter box takes it to the next level with a box that is counter height, which makes it easier to take care of your little garden. It has a nice rustic look plus a lower shelf that you can use for storage or decorations. It would look great on a deck, porch, or patio. This raised planter box plan gives you not only the advantage of a raised garden but also the luxury of a self-watering system. There are instructions for how to build a raised bed built out of cedar and how to add a sub-irrigation system so you only have to remember to water a few times a month. This raised planter box plan will give you everything you need to have a successful raised vegetable garden. There are 3 areas for plants along with separate areas for composting. The compost feeds the surrounding plants, giving them the nutrients they need to grow. There is also room for hanging plants at the top of the structure. This raised garden bed plan uses inexpensive furring strips to create a 50.5 by 50.5 square bed that you can use to plant seeds or seedlings. It's an inexpensive DIY project that will only take you an hour or so to complete. This raised planter box adds yet another advantage to having a raised bed garden: it's on wheels. This makes it easy to move for watering and gives you a way to protect the plants in it when the weather gets cold. Here's another DIY raised planter box plan that adds some added height, putting it at about desk level. A stain is applied at the end, which really elevates this project, making it look good enough to sit right by your front door if you'd like. When you don't have anything planted in it, you could even use it as a potting bench since it's raised so high. Instead of using all wood, this free raised planter box uses corrugated metal for the sides. It's also raised slightly higher than your average raised bed, making it easy to bend over and plant seeds as well as harvest. There are also a lot of tips included on how to set up an irrigation system. This plan builds a fairly large planter box, coming in at 60 inches by 36 inches. It's also raised 32 inches, to make bending over your garden easier. Along with the free plan is a video that shows you all the details on how to build one for yourself. These galvanized raised planter boxes not only look great, but they'll last a lot longer than wood. They're large garden beds, and since the building process is so quick and easy, you can build quite a few in a little time. Show off your raised planter boxes with this free plan that shows you how to build them right in the front of your home. It would be the perfect place for a flower garden or even some vegetables or herbs. It's an affordable project that will add a ton of curb appeal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.